Hey there, guys. How you doing? It's Drew here, and today is day number 158. Pretty good earnings today. I think over 0.60% or so. The commissions, I've still not figured this out, guys. Like some days, I went through the transaction history over here. Some days I'm earning like $17 in commission. This is the commission from all the bots that I've sold trading. I get 21% of the company profit. So actually, I'm going to talk about this at the start of the video because some people don't understand how lucrative selling bots can be, trading bots, right? So think of it this way. People coming in, they're brand new, they're testing. They're, of course, at 50-50 because their deposit balance is small. So, they're not going to go and buy tokens, of course. So the company is earning 50% of the profits on that bot trading, right? The members earning 50%. I earn 21% of that 50% of the company's earnings, right? So it's, it can be a cent, 2 cents, 3 cents per day there, depending on how much their deposit amount is. Like, for instance, if it's $150 or $100 they're testing on, it might be like 2 cents a day or something I'd earn off that person, which, I could say, oh, that adds up, but who really cares? It's a couple cents. But when someone has, a $5,000 balance, a $10,000, a $25,000 balance, it can be like dollars per day, like $4 if it's maybe $15,000 a day, or sorry, 15,000 that they have in their deposit balance, and that's per day, 7 days a week. $4 or so there. And if you go and you have, say, 70 people under you that are active, it can really add up. So yeah, guys, it's very, very strange, the commissions in here, because some days I see it's, $17. And then, for instance, I think yesterday was $17.80 or something like that. And then today's $28.34, but yesterday was a low day earnings, so lower than average, right? This would be the commission from yesterday's trading. So I'm like, how does this even work? It's kind of weird, unless like they're catching up on things or something, and that's why like today's $28. But I've seen that happen a couple times where, one day's $17 or $18, and then the next day's $25, and it's just all over the place. And it's like, so yeah, I kind of truly don't really understand the commission structure here 100% yet. I thought I did. Everything else is easy to understand, it like the bonuses and how it works and all that. But yeah, just, earning one day commission $17.50, and then that next day is a low earnings day, and the next day the commission you get from that previous 24 hours is like $28. It doesn't, like, where'd that come from? It doesn't make any sense. But anyways, it's fine. It's okay. I wasn't expecting to make $28 today in commission. 40 USDT there in profit, and that's what my balance is now, guys. So not that much, like $6,000, and it made me $40. I didn't have to do anything at all, right? It's like set and forget kind of thing, and just kind of focus on your deposit balance. I know my deposit balance is like all over the place, up and down, up and down. It's just because I'm focused on like helping my team get funded in here. And if you're in Canada or even the UK now, like how difficult it is to get USDT. And if I send it to my teammate, then it's free for them. They don't have to pay like a fee or anything, right? And we use like Wise and stuff like that. So I don't know, I thought about it, and I was like, okay, the first year I do this, I'm not going to really focus on my deposit balance. If I get a bonus, I'll throw it in there. My last bonus I got was $2,000. I ended up having to sell it, but like made the decision to sell it to my team, just because, the difficulty of getting cryptocurrencies now in some of these countries. It seems to be the first world countries, is like the governments are just totally, they're not going to take down crypto, guys, but they're trying to make it as difficult as possible for you to use cryptocurrencies, just because they can't control it. So they're like, what the hell kind of thing. So yeah, I think that originally wasn't the plan, but this first year, it's basically to focus on the team and stuff, and not really my personal deposit, guys. In all honesty, my Traiex earnings, they're not like paying my bills or anything like that. They're paying, well, I could say they're paying like my credit card bills, but it's not paying like the mortgage or anything like that. My personal day trading pays the mortgage, right? And what I've done now is daily, I've started posting on my Facebook wall. People like to see money, so I just thought, I'll start doing this. But I'm daily now, I'm posting my results of my personal trading, on my Facebook. Like yesterday, I made, this is a crazy day. Normally it's not like this, but that's like, I don't know, $2,500 or something USDT. We will get going. Let's move on over here to Grok, and we'll grab our command for the day. Guys, I'm loving Traiex. I think it's an amazing system. It's set and forget basically, and I haven't lost a day in 158 days. It's been profit every single day. Yes, the profit is not crazy, but 0.50% is good, especially like if you have $50,000, 0.50% is like a full-time income for most people, right? So it's great. It's just the only issue here I have, and why I'm not like, you don't really see me focusing too hard on it with the promotion. Like I'm basically just doing these videos and like hardly anybody's watching them, right? I could go and do a bunch of marketing on social media, and I could pay for ads and, make my account explode with commissions and stuff. But the thing is that people are giving the bots away. So I had to change my marketing, so I'm giving the bots away as well. And I can only give away 40 bots a year. So it's kind of like once you hit the 40 bots, you hit a ceiling. So it's not worth promoting if you're a big leader, because it's really easy to do 40 sales in a year. Like if I focus here, I could probably do that in a week or two, right? So, but yeah, if you're just starting out with marketing, this would be an amazing thing for you to promote, because you have the opportunity to do 40 sales. You'd have to give the bots away, of course, meaning give your commission of the bot away and just focus on the earnings from those bots trading, basically like the daily commission you see me making in it, which, guys, like if I have 40 bots to give away a year, it's going to take years for me just to make $100 in commission per day type thing from all those bots trading, right? So yeah, it's not really the type of thing you'd want to promote if you're a leader, but if you're just getting started and you want to get your toes wet with promotion, it's probably a great thing for you to promote. But you have to use the strategy of giving the bots away, meaning giving your commission away on that $50 bot. But here's the thing, if they upgrade their bot, you get a nice juicy commission for that, like the 500, the 200, the 1,000, the 2,000. You get a pretty nice commission. Okay, way too much talking. Let's get going here. We'll do this. Maybe I'll put a note in the start of the video saying it actually starts at whatever time it is right now, because I did a lot of talking there, which has pretty much nothing to do with Traiex. But anyways, it's good that you guys see everything here, what's going on and all that stuff with me, right? Okay, so token analysis, it's in the same spot as yesterday. It's a buy. This is the buy zone in between these blue lines. I don't really think we're going to have these wicks again. I think that we're going to stay in this zone here, and eventually we'll be trading above the zone. I don't know when that will be, guys. It'd probably be, I don't know, like who knows? Like someone could come along here, buy a bunch of tokens, and then push the price up. Like no one knows, right? Type thing. I just don't like this. Seems like a bottom here because it's touched so many times and it's just going sideways for like months now, right? Yeah, June 2nd, it's been going sideways here pretty much in our zone. So yeah, buying opportunity. This token, no one in the right mind is trading it, right? What they're doing is they're buying it and they're freezing it. So you want the price of the token to be low. Like I always see people out there or get messages and stuff of, hey, Drew, is it a good time to buy the token? Should I buy it now? Thinking they're going to buy it. And then in a year when their token expires, and I don't know what they're thinking. Maybe they're thinking they're going to sell it or something. I wouldn't sell it. Like you just want to refreeze it, right? They're thinking, I want the token to be higher in price. Like, no, you don't. You want the token to be low. If you're using Traiex, you should think about refreezing your tokens. It doesn't matter what the price of them is. You want the token to be low because it gives everyone the opportunity to buy it low, meaning that they don't need $20,000 in their trading balance just to even think about buying the token, because the token is like $2 a token, right? You don't want to pay $8,000 for your tokens, guys. So you do not want the price of the token to be high. You want it to look like this, where it's just one steady price. And if you're promoting, it's something you can actually include into your promoting is like, hey, when you hit $5,000, take your daily balance and buy the tokens with it to get through to 80-20, right? Okay, like things like that, right? So yeah, we want the token low. We don't want it to go up. If you bought it up here, or here, or here. I never told you guys to buy up there, so you're definitely not following the videos. You know, when you see stuff like this is everyone buying because they're panic buying, right? You buy when you see stuff like this, okay? I started talking about the token pretty much through here about buying it. I bought back here, so I talked about it there. Didn't really talk about the token here. We talked about levels where it could come down to, okay? These videos from pretty much March onwards is all about, you know, not financial advice, but think about buying the token. Okay. So too much talking today. We got to get this number here. 598785. 598785. 5987.85. And we'll click on that. And we'll do this here. So today's 0.75%. Holy smokes. That's a big day. 0.75%. That's awesome. That's more than I've made with my personal trading today. That's good. Now we're in a little bit of drawdown here, but it doesn't really matter. You can see my trend line there. So yeah, if it breaks that trend line, then I would probably just click on sell and lose the $30 or whatever that it would be. It doesn't really matter because down here I'm going for hundreds of dollars, right? Okay. Yeah. I don't know if it's a good idea I mix my personal trading into these videos, but I thought it'd be kind of more exciting for you guys to see that. And then, yeah, because a lot of people watch these videos about Traiex and they're like, wait a minute, his balance is really, really small. He's making hardly any commission per day. And, you know, like, what's the point of him making all these videos? I make them more along the lines for fun, guys. Like if you look at the views on these, they're not getting traffic for me to make sales. It's basically whenever I go on my Facebook and then I make a post to get interest in Traiex, that's when I make my sales, right? These daily review videos, they're basically content for proof that like it works and it makes a daily percentage. You don't have days of loss. That's more along the lines of what it's for. When this balance here is 20,000, 15,000, and I'm making hundreds of dollars per day through the commissions and the earnings and stuff like that, then the YouTube videos would actually work for me because that's all people care about is, you know, oh, look at how much he's making or whatever type thing. Like that's the human mindset, right? They're not attracted to like, oh, look, I made $50 today. They're attracted to like, oh, look, I made $500 today, right? So it's very, very funny because $50 is the same thing as $500, meaning it just works, right? So it's kind of funny when you think about it. And it's, holy jeez, I just keep on talking. I don't stop talking. So we'll get going. We need to go over here. We need to do the trade history now, which is this page. And we need to look for the 13th. And there's the 13th right there. So I'm making my video at 12 p.m. now. Yesterday I made it at 9:30 or something like that. So we are over 24 hours, but still 0.75%. Like it's definitely over 50%, 0.50 today, right? Okay. So this, we're counting all the losing trades. So we're on page number 4. And I think that first trade's a loss. No, it's a profit. Okay. So that's profit. And this is yesterday's trade history, right? Profit. It's doing $200 gaps. So that's pretty awesome. And this is a profit. That's a loss. Okay, so that's our first loss. A profit. And I can see it's going into $100 gaps now. We've got a profit. And then the next one is a profit. Man, not too many losses, just one so far, and we're already on page 9. Profit. There's a loss. Okay, so 2. If you want to know what a loss is, just go watch any video before like day 140 or so. They're longer videos where I explain like everything and all that kind of stuff, right? This guy here is a profit, but it's pretty easy just to see what's going on here. So there's another loss there, which is 3 losses. We've got profit, and should be on the 12th here. So there's the 12th. So back to page 10. And we're counting this as 5 trades per page because how to figure out a loss is to look at the buy and sell and compare it. So, you know, we're counting 2 trades as one basically, right? Because a trade is an action. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so 6 times 5 plus 1, 2, 3. 6 times 5 plus 3. 6 times 5 plus 3 equals 33. I remember when my son was a baby, I'd go do 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 to him like that, and he thought it was this. It was so funny. He just wouldn't stop laughing. So I did it like 10 times in a row, and then he peed his pants. He laughed so much, it was hilarious. From do 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 do. It's hilarious. Okay, what am I doing? Okay, we've got our 3 trades of loss. Man, I just got over my cough pretty much yesterday, and now I've got it back. Holy smokes. Just when my son's home all the time or when he's at school, just sick all the time. Okay, 90.91% today. So amazing. Let's go and it's so crazy to think. I didn't do a single thing. Personally, I did my own trading, but I didn't do anything for this. And it made 0.75%. And then yesterday's win rate's 90.91%. That's insane. It's crazy. Okay, so there you go. Oh, wait a minute. Sorry, guys. It's day 159, not 158. Yesterday was 158. It's 159 today. Sorry. I'll correct that. I'll put a note at the start of the video here. So we've got a Facebook group here. Anyone can join the Facebook group. We got 70, almost 80 people in here. This is where I post these daily review videos, and also I post them on 2 separate YouTube channels. So my personal YouTube channel here, first link in the video description, is how you join. Click that. Right now, I've got the bonus going on, 50 USDT, okay, which pays for your trading bot for Traiex. And then if you're watching this on the team channel, that first link in the video description will take you to our Facebook group, okay? And if you go through the funnel here, there's a link to the Facebook group as well. Let's do a withdrawal. I don't think it did a trade as I was making the video. It did do a trade. Anyways, we'll just take that profit because it made a $2 profit as we're making the video. Geez, sorry guys, keep on coughing. So we took that. Let's go to careers. Let's take this 28 bucks, 28 buckaroos. And we'll just show this here really quick. Okay, so 19,400 left to go, and then I get my 4,000 USDT bonus, which I'll probably end up selling to my team because every week people are like, Drew, hey, when are you doing a withdrawal? Can I buy some USDT off you? Because no one can get USDT from pretty much I hate saying first world countries, guys, but that's honestly what it is. All these governments from the first world countries, they're trying to go against crypto, right? Because crypto's king now, everyone wants it. So yeah, I know it's kind of a naughty thing to say, first world, but it's the truth, right? So that's it from me. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Go back here and we'll end the video. Once again, first link in the video description if you're on my channel takes you to this page. And you can join the team. You have to, the last step there is to message me and I send you 50 USDT after I see you've purchased the bot. So it's going to cost you out of pocket. It costs 100 in the deposit here to test out, right? You need 100 bounce in your deposit. You're going to have to buy the bot, which is 50 USDT. So you need 150. And then I send the commission back. So when you buy a bot, I get 100% commission. So I'll get 50 bucks here, USDT. That's where I get the USDT. So I basically just send you my commission back so you can test things out for free, because this balance here, your deposit balance, it's 100% withdrawable. You can, make a deposit into here and then watch the bot do one trade, or I don't know, maybe make a deposit in here, let it trade for a week, and then you're like, I don't really like this. You can just pull your deposit out 100%. And any profits that you make, anything like that. And it makes it risk-free for you because I'm actually paying for your trading bot. The only thing that's non-refundable in here is a trading bot because it's a product, right? It has a commission attached to it. The company makes money off it, all that kind of stuff. It's like you going out there buying I don't know, a pizza or something, and then eating your pizza, you can't just take the box back and say like, oh, can I get a refund, right, with an empty box. So that's kind of what it's like with a trading bot, because it costs the company to get the trading bot, right? They buy them off another company. So these are scalp trading bots, guys, which is, they're super expensive. So to get licensing, you can look into it. To get licensing for a scalp trading bot, it's like $100,000, the licensing. And then the company needs to maintain the scalp trading bots, right? Like Traiex is an exchange, and then they offer a scalp trading bot. So they actually have a different company. It's not their company, but that maintains the bots and all that kind of stuff, right? And, you know, they maintain them, as in, you can see there, when the market's going up, it's doing $200 gaps. When the market's coming down, it's doing $100 gaps, right? It's scalping, as in it gets out at where it gets in if the market goes against it. So it doesn't create, it creates a loss through the fee. If you want to think about it that way, when it creates a loss, it doesn't create a loss through the price action. It creates losses through the trading fee. Okay. So that's it. And yeah, you have to pay a trading fee to trade. So that's it from me. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in another one here shortly. Bye-bye.